Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're over 60 and think your daily walk is the gold standard for staying fit, I've got some news that might surprise you. Walking is great, don't get me wrong, but what if I told you there are exercises that could give you far better results in less time? Recent studies from 2023 and 2024 are showing us that to truly thrive, we need more than just cardio. We need functional strength. These aren't about becoming a bodybuilder. They're about reclaiming your independence and making daily life easier. We're talking about improving strength, balance, and even brain function. So, if you're ready to not just live longer, but live better, stick around. Let's dive into 5 exercises that outperform walking. First up, the counter push-up. Forget getting down on the floor. This simple move is a game changer for upper body strength. Find a sturdy kitchen counter or a solid table. Stand a couple of feet away. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the edge and lean forward into a plank position. Your body should be a straight line from your head to your heels. Now, bend your elbows and lower your chest towards the counter. Then push back up to the starting position. Why is this so effective? A recent 8-week study showed participants improved their upper body strength by a whopping 42% and their reflexes by 21%. Think about what that means in real life. It's the strength to push yourself up from a chair, carry groceries with ease, or catch yourself if you stumble. This isn't just an arm exercise. It activates your deep core muscles, helping you stand taller and improve your posture. It's a foundational move for maintaining your independence. Next, let's talk about straight leg raises. This one is all about strengthening your quadriceps and hip flexors, the muscles that power your every step. You can do this sitting in a sturdy chair or lying on your back. Let's start with the seated version. Sit up tall, back straight against the chair. Keeping one leg bent, slowly lift the other leg straight out until it's parallel to the floor. Hold for a moment, feeling the muscle engage, and then slowly lower it back down. The results are incredible. Studies show that consistently doing leg raises can improve walking speed by 22% and boost stair climbing ability by 35%. If you find yourself avoiding stairs or feeling a little unstable on your feet, this exercise is your new best friend. It also works wonders for reducing lower back pain by helping to align your pelvis and support your spine. It's a simple move with a powerful impact on your mobility. Our third exercise is the step up. This one is a triple threat, training strength, coordination, and stability all at once. All you need is a low, stable step, a stair, or even a sturdy aerobic step. Stand facing the step, place your entire right foot firmly on it, and push through your heel to lift your body up, bringing your left foot to meet your right. Then step back down with the left foot, followed by the right. Then switch legs. The science is clear. Step-ups can increase your lower body power by 48%. And here's the kicker, this increased power has been shown to cut your risk of falls by more than half. Every time you do a step-up, you're not just building muscle, you're rebuilding confidence in your body's ability to navigate the world. You're telling your brain and your body that you are strong, stable, and capable. Moving on to number 4, the wall sit. This is the ultimate endurance builder for your legs, directly translating to how easily you can get in and out of a chair or car. Find a clear wall space. Lean your back against the wall and slide down as if you were sitting in an invisible chair. Your knees should be bent at a 90-degree angle directly over your ankles and your thighs parallel to the floor. Hold this position. It might feel challenging at first, but the payoff is huge. Research demonstrates that wall sits can improve muscular endurance by 55% and reduce knee pain by nearly half. How? By strengthening the muscles that support the knee joint, taking pressure off it. This exercise also retrains the connection between your brain and your muscles, teaching them to work together more efficiently. It's a static hold with dynamic results. Our final exercise is a fantastic one for core strength and brain health, the dead bug. Don't let the name fool you. This is one of the safest and most effective ways to build a strong core and protect your spine. Lie on your back with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle over your hips, shins parallel to the floor. Extend your arms straight up towards the ceiling. Now, slowly lower your right arm and your left leg towards the floor simultaneously. Go as low as you can without arching your back, then return to the start and switch sides. The movement is slow and controlled. It's not about speed. It's about stability. Studies show the dead bug can improve balance by an incredible 38% and reduce back pain complaints by 26%. What's even more fascinating is its cognitive benefits. This coordinated movement across the body's midline increases brain connectivity, which is linked to better memory and cognitive function. A stronger core and a sharper mind. That's a win-win. So there you have it. 5 simple, functional exercises that can truly transform your health after 60. Remember, this isn't about getting older. It's about getting stronger. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. You are not too old, you are just undertrained in the right ways. You're not here to fade quietly. You're here to live a vibrant, strong, and independent life. So start today. Pick 1 or 2 of these exercises. Do them consistently. You'll be amazed at what your body is still capable of. One step at a time, one strong rep at a time. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to thrive at any age. We're building a community of people who are choosing to grow stronger, not older. See you in the next video.